Okay. Hello, welcome to
I figured out how to be a bird.
welcome to episode 1 of Bird Simulator. I'm a bird.
I figured out how to be a bird. What are you?
I'm flying.
Is it you?
I'm one of
An otter. I saw an otter and I picked it. Dive to the grass.
I just leveled up.
How did you level up?
I don't know, I just did.
Looks like a dive. Dive!
Okay, so
These are important. Okay.
yeah, okay. Okay, I'm diving at this water. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go to one of the stones in the water. Wait, is this you over here? Wait. You can call.
Yeah, you can.
Brady.
Yeah?
Brady, you know the really tall tree by the water?
Yeah. In the water?
Yeah, I'm sitting, by the water. Like right next to the water.
The one that I just flew to? Did you run into it? Hey, is this you? Is this you? Am I chasing you?
No, I'm not flying.
Oh.
I'm standing on the ground by it. I'm circling it.
Is that you? Is this you?
Oh, I'm circling the tree?
Yeah. Go down. I'm like below you. I'm following you. Following you. Okay, maybe there's some other person following.
Again, you're following the wrong bird.
Oh,
You're right there. Did
well,
you just fly over a bird on the ground?
I have no idea. I'm looking for food.
Yeah, how does one get food? Do we just like dive into grass?
No, there's bugs on the ground. They're like yellow. Well, at
I'm
least.
about to dive at a bird, thinking like this.
Okay.
Okay, bug.
Look, our food is bugs and like nuts or something.
That's nuts in the trees, right? Kidding.
I have no idea.
I can't find any bugs. I found a tiny rock. I'm gonna peck it. Peck.
I found a bee. Can I eat it?
Bree, I don't think I'm supposed to be here.
Do you think I can eat a bee?
I don't know, you think I'm supposed to be underneath the map?
Oh, I found a bug.
Yeah, I'm gonna inform you if you don't want to find
What?
me. I'm gonna be the only bird underneath the map.
The bug despawned. I don't want to die.
I found a bee.
Yeah, I saw that too.
No, the bee disappeared.
Yeah,
The bee
stuff.
just like dived off the edge of the map.
I did find a nut.
I'm
Okay.
having a very hard time finding bugs. Found a squirrel! Attack a squirrel! Oh, hello, squirrel. Are you a dog? Might be a dog.
Is it a dog or a
Oh wait, no, it's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. It's about me-sized. Fuck.
Well,
Can you eat flowers? Peck, peck.
no, I don't. Maybe you can.
No.
Uh,
Hold on, I have an alarm going off. It's being annoying.
why do you have that?
2, 7, 6, 3.
What?
TD 7. I had to enter a captcha.
Sure.
I can't find anything.
How's
I'm
it?
gonna starve.
You
I'm
okay?
gonna starve.
I almost starved.
Where do you find food?
Well, I just found some food and I just ate it. And now I'm by water. Now I'm not. I ate the water.
Brady, I can't find food.
Also, I just said
I starved.
I just said I ate the water.
I'm gonna starve, Brady. I can't find bugs.
Then don't.
Are they in the grass or something?
No, they're just around. Like this one. Never mind. That's a flower. But like they are around. Like, how's your bar doing? We'll circle bar thing.
About empty.
Okay.
This squirrel is being dumb.
Why do you say that?
Oh, there's a beaver. I said that had its head slammed into a rock. I need a bug. Hey, grass, please. Heck.
You're seriously.
I swear, not to be in trees, right?
No, they're on the ground.
Oh, I'm gonna go to the top of the tallest tree and jump off, and then dive. Yeah, but that's the tallest tree right here, right?
They're all like so tall.
I'm at the top. I'm at like the highest point at which my bird doesn't like landing. Oh my god, Brady!
Yeah.
I am at the peak of bird. Oh.
Did you hit the edge of the map? Oh no, I can't find any food.
No, Brady, I'm the peak of bird. I'm standing on the top of the tallest tree.
Well, at least you're not dead.
You know, when you dive, you don't even dive. You just kind of flop on the grass.
Oh, well.
I can't find bugs or nuts.
What? Why?
I don't know, I'm not having luck with it.
I mean,
Oh, I'm stuck. Never mind.
I mean, I'm like halfway down on my bar for food because I can't find anything.
Is that you who just like dived over me? Did you just swoop over a bird?
Nope.
I found a mushroom. Let me eat them.
Eat mushrooms.
What, you didn't eat mushrooms? I can't eat them. Oh. What is that? I found a bird that can eat mushrooms. Wait, is this you? Are you a bird that's like trying to fly at feathers right now? In water?
Nope.
Oh. Wait, are you a bird? Yep. Oh. Oh.
I just leveled up.
I am a bird.
I'm level 3.
I'm gonna die. Oh, no. I need to find food. Wait, is that food? Is that food? I got it. Not food.
You found food?
No, it's not food. My health is half.
Your health?
Yeah, I'm starving to death. Food?
Oh, my
Flowers, I can eat them.
my bird is like so hungry right now.
My bird is on an empty stomach.
So is mine.
You can pooped. Wait, I'm just gonna dive off the edge of the map.
Wait, it lets you dive off the edge of the map?
0. Yeah, it can.
Well,
You won't need to gather food or water very often. You can get like different birds.
yeah, you can.
Wait,
Wait, you died?
yeah, I told you, I bombed myself off the edge. I could be a crow. Wait, no, I couldn't. That's 20.
20 what?
20 coffee tokens. Hopefully I can find food this time.
Okay. I'm almost dead. I'm just gonna, I think I'm just gonna jump off because.
Found a nut. I ate it unnecessarily.
Okay, I died.
I'm just gonna stay close to the ground by tree.
Return to menu. Wait, mountain quail unlocked for 10 coins. Crow unlocked for 20.
I don't know how to get more coins.
I'm gonna buy the crow. It's. I had exactly 20. I had exactly 20, so I unlocked the crow.
Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Squirrel, do you have time to talk about our Savior Jesus?
Okay, wait. What can the crow eat?
Squirrel's fed.
The crow is so much better. The crow can eat fish.
The crow can eat fish? I'm diving off the map.
You need 20 coins.
You need 20 for the crow.
Yeah. I had
I
20.
got 20.
Oh, you do have 20? Okay.
Yeah. Food, fish, nuts, berries, and bugs. Now play normal one. I am now a crow. You are now a crow. How does one find fish? They're just like in the water.
That's kind of a good question. It's kind of what I'm trying to figure out. You can also eat berries. I don't know what classifies as a berry, but like, can I just like attack flowers now?
No, they can't. Wait. What the fuck? I did it.
You found a what?
A slug. Oh, a yellow banana slug.
Oh yeah, those you could eat those last time too. Or
A bug?
why can't we eat mushrooms?
I
Oh, but we should be able to eat mushrooms.
don't know. The crow's food and hunger also doesn't drop dramatically.
Trying to attack the flowers.
I kind of want to save up 150 tokens. Main reason because then I can buy the golden eagle, and the golden eagle can eat small animals. That's true. I could eat squirrels. Uh-oh. What? I am stuck. You are stuck.
Wait, so I will. Wait. Oh, I found another crow. Is that
Yeah,
you?
that's me. Did it just ram into your face?
Yeah. What's this?
Yeah, that's me.
What's a
Oh,
sure.
I'm getting hungry.
Well, why?
Okay, the squirrel. No help today. Also, I think we're the only ones here. I don't see any other bird.
Is there seriously no one else on the server? No, there's other people on the server.
I think we get put into our own room.
Oh, no,
Never mind, that's another bird there.
it's because we're playing.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because we're playing on normal mode.
I want to find a fish.
So do I.
The rabbit maybe it's like I can find fish by like swimming around in the water.
I tried that already. Didn't really have any luck.
I am stuck.
You're stuck?
I'm free now.
Oh, there's no food anywhere.
Brady.
Is this food?
Brady, lead me atop the tallest tree.
I just found a spider. I just ate it. They're all like the exact same height.
No, they're not. There's one that's taller than all of them. Uh-oh. Hey. There we go.
There's more than one tree of that height.
There's a finch here. There was a finch atop the tallest tree with me. I can assure you the finch was not you.
The finch was me though.
Brady, there's one tree that's taller than all of them.
Oh, there's clearly not, because I just flew around the whole map and I found like 5 that are the exact same size that were the tallest.
Hey, I see you.
No, you don't.
Is there a crow following you?
Nope. But,
I
nope.
eat this other crow's face.
There's nothing following me. You can't eat other birds.
I think the golden eagle can.
I mean, it's an eagle, so maybe.
Peck the bird. I just tried to peck a bunny.
Why? Why would you peck a bunny?
That was this. They're all swarming around here, so I'm assuming there's a lot of food. Uh-oh, I'm starving again.
You're starving again?
Food? No, neither of us food. I need some food.
Where are the fish?
Are you crow just slam into your face?
Me? No, but I just found food.
I need food. Food. That's a pumpkin. I do need a pumpkin. Yeah, I found a nut.
But how do you catch fish?
Oh, you got found a bug. Yeah, hi. Nom. I am destroyer of bugs.
What?
I did nothing for my hunger. What?
It like maxed me out instantly.
Yeah.
Wait, actually I thought of an idea on how to catch a fish. Maybe you have to dive at the water.
I know, but radio can. Yeah, maybe. I'll try it.
So am I.
What if your water thing goes all the way down?
Didn't work.
Then I get water. That didn't work for me either. There's an eagle. No, it's just giving me water. Oh. Yeah. What?
Yeah.
I hit a rock. You hit a rock. No. You can't. Oh, you can't fly. Oh. Madison, can you stop? I don't come. Never mind, I just found a corner.
Also, I found four bugs in about 10 seconds. They were all grouped together and I ate them all.
Why'd you eat them all? You should have told me and shared some.
Nope. Birds. Oh, found another bug.
I found a slug. Wait, is this you right here?
Yep.
I'm gonna follow you and try and steal your food.
Hey, fish in the water. Hey, fish. I missed it.
How do you tell where there's fish?
I saw one. Actually, I was just trying to lose you. I really didn't see a fish.
Oh, that's a bug? Yeah. Where? That? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that was fun. Oh my god, I'm the best girl ever. I landed atop a flower.
Oh, bug. Found a bug.
Mushroom in the water. Not a mushroom.
I'm almost level
It
3.
was a mushroom.
Yeah.
So am I.
I feel like the crow is kind of the exact same as the,
Yeah, but it gives you a couple more options.
like berries and fish. But I don't know how to get berries or fish.
Maybe you have to like hunt through the grass to get berries.
Well, I just saw something eat a flower. We clearly should have saved up our coins. Bug! No, I missed it. Well, my mouse just decided to stop working. Oh no, give me the bug, got it.
Did you steal that bug?
Yes, that was me, I needed it. I almost died. Ish, not really at all. Stop trying to steal all my food.
I didn't even know that was you. I was just like, oh fuck. Just you that I'm following?
No, it's not.
No. I stole your bug.
That's not even.
I stole another.
It's not even me. That's not me. It's me.
You following me now?
I am not actually. But why'd you steal my food? I've never done that to you. So I really didn't deserve it.
Brady.
Also, I'm about to starve to death now.
Oh, well, I had found Brady. I found another bug. I'm by like the edge of the map.
Nope.
Where'd it go? What? Brady, I'm trying to offer you a bug.
Nope.
Okay, then I'm gonna eat this bug and this nut over here.
Okay, I really don't care.
Plus food for you. Also, are you recording?
Me?
Yes, you.
No, I never started the recording.
What?
Oh yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. Don't do that.
Me?
Yes, you.
Why?
Don't say that you didn't start it when you actually did. Oh, I got a bug. Fine.
If we should play Stardew Valley, leave a like.
Brady, you're the only one who can leave a like, Brady.
What are you talking about?
Brady, you're our only subscriber.
Just because someone's not subscribed doesn't mean they can't leave a like.
What?
Just because someone's not subscribed doesn't mean they can't leave a like.
Oh yeah, that's right. Found a bug. But it's Finch. I think I just confused the player playing as that Finch, because I just kind of rammed my crew into him.
Why?
Yeah. I've just been doing that to random birds. I was kind of ram myself into them, and that's kind of why. It didn't, you saw Finch. No. Yeah. Oh. Eh. Holy fuck. Are you starving?
Sure. Not really.
Like, is your crowd starving? Oh, really? Not really? You found food?
I was never even starving in the first place.
Oh, I mean, okay.
I mean,
You didn't want to steal my food away from me. I offered you food, but it's like, no.
and my hunger wasn't full. I mean, it was like halfway. It was like 50 or something, but still alive. How many coins do you have?
10? Found a spider. Yum. Okay, there we go. I numbed the spider. I saw that was good. Oh, you numbed the spider. Actually, spiders are arachnids. Well, but an arachnid is not a bug.
Banana. I just ate a banana.
You ate a slug.
Yeah, it was a banana slug.
You know why they're called banana slugs?
Because they look like a banana.
Yeah, they look like a banana. They also nest in bananas as well as eat bananas.
Okay.
It's so funny. Hence the name banana slug.
Also, we should live stream. We should live stream because it's the easiest way to gain subscribers.
What?
Live streaming is the easiest way to gain subscribers, so we should live stream.
Okay, so I take it you're gonna go through and the process of downloading an encryptor or whatever you need to live stream from your computer.
That seems really complicated, but maybe.
There's a thing that you have to download.
I know.
Hold on, I want to try something. It's like falling from a great distance whilst gliding, and then oh wait, I need water. I need water. It's like, if I go up to a great height, and I let myself glide, and then I like quickly turn out, shouldn't I have like a lot of speed?
Yeah.
It worked.
Okay, there's like, it's like almost impossible to actually die.
Alright, you could dive off the map.
Right, but like if you're actually trying to play, like it's almost impossible to die.
Oh my god, I actually ate it while speeding over it.
Wait, are you playing in first person?
Yeah, I am. That's quite intriguing.
I know. I just tested it. I didn't know if you go in first person, but it's horrible.
I like it.
I want to look at something, so I'm gonna dive off the map.
I'm like the fastest girl in all of existence.
I just dove off the map.
Why? Oh my god, what is that? Where? That's a flower. Alright, I'll see, you don't need a whole W to move forward.
Wait, so does it say, like, unless you buy it, can you see, what it's, what it can eat?
I do not know, and I only have 10 coins anyway. There's the bird. I see a bird. Fuck. Mine. What banana slug fit under? A bug? But a slug is not a bug, and it's not a fish, and it's not a berry.
Do you know what? You can unlock the other play you should unlock the other play modes. I'm gonna buy the mountain quail. I bought the mountain quail.
Sit down. And you did not see a nut. You are a nut, Madison.
I'm a mountain quail now, even if it's worse.
Madison. Madison, are you seriously gonna get mad at me for calling you a nut?
Oh, mountain quail is so trash.
Why?
You can't eat bugs. JK, mountain quail is definitely OP. I'm gonna permanently be a mountain quail. I don't care what you say. I don't care that I can't eat bugs. Do you know what? We're not even going for the same food source anymore, so it really doesn't matter.
Oh, what kind of mountain quail I'll eat?
Berries, flowers, and nuts?
Mountain quail is actually a lot better. What? You can actually eat flowers?
Yes! But it's really slow. I feel it.
Slow and be able to eat flowers and fast. And be able to eat like nothing. You can eat flowers. This is the best. Here. Be the bird that you always wanted to be.
Why can't I find it? Now that I'm a mountain quail, I can't find flowers anywhere.
Oh, I saw a nut. Can't eat nuts. I can't eat nuts. Can't eat nuts. Try the flower.
Okay, flowers are actually a little bit rarer than I thought they were. Also, the other game modes are super easy to buy. But I'm pretty sure you have to buy the game mode for each different bird type.
Can I eat mushrooms? Are mushrooms? They can eat mushrooms. Mushrooms are flowers. Mushrooms are not a flower.
Oh, they are not. They definitely are not.
They can eat mushrooms though. Yeah.
They can?
Yeah, I just tested it. They can eat mushrooms.
I can't find flowers. I can't find flowers or mushrooms anywhere. Oh, I found a mushroom. Oh, I ate it.
I don't get my mushroom that I'm guarding.
I just found 2. Oh, never mind. Mushrooms are everywhere.
I ate one of my flowers. No, I was guarding that. That's my food. I ate it, and I have to go get water.
So do I. I really do have to get water.
Why is one or not the one? Why is it the one or not the one that can eat bugs? Bugs are literally everywhere.
I haven't seen one bug yet.
I've seen 3. Oh my god, there's actually a lot more flowers in the water.
Well, this game has gotten incredibly easy now. So do you know what I'm gonna do?
What?
Dive off the map.
Why?
So I can unlock other game modes. I'm gonna unlock challenging mode. Challenging mode, unlock. Yeah, so you have to buy the game modes for every single bird individually. Just want to let you know. Also, the amount of XP you have saves, even if you jump off. Stop! Stop! I'm in challenging mode! I'm almost dead already! Not really, I just lose, wait, you can't eat the flowers in the water.
Did you?
Stop!
Stop touching.
I'm half out of food already, and I've only been playing for 49 seconds.
I think I offended them. Brady, I was chilling with some other dogs, just chirping at them. All of them both flew away.
What? I can't eat any flowers. Why can't I eat any flowers? Like that one. Some flowers you can't eat. What? Yeah, you can't eat. You realize that you can't eat every flower, right? Can you please stop that?
Wait, is that you, Andy?
No, but I hear it through your end. And it's super, super loud.
Yeah, I'm the flower. I'm just following the faint call that I hear.
You know what? I'm
I'll
almost.
hear a faint.
Please. Yeah, it's so loud on your end. What?
I'll turn it down.
I can't drink water. Oh wait, no, I can't. Okay.
So where the headphones go around here? Come here.
Also, you really should eat all those flowers. I'm almost dead. Please let me eat this. Okay, yeah, you actually can't eat all the flowers in existence.
I can.
I can't. I can't eat the blue ones or the yellow ones.
Oh yeah, I can eat those easily. Also, I put headphones. Like, I put headphones into my computer.
Yeah, and all I see is blue and yellow ones, and I can't eat them.
Yeah, I can eat the yellow ones. I can even eat the little yellow ones.
I can't.
Well, get out of your ear.
Wait, not.
Can I stop?
How can I eat that? Oh, my water's almost gone already. Oh.
I'm getting very, very thirsty. Hello?
Hola?
Oh, you're really quiet now.
Well, I'm sorry, because one food gives me about 1/16 of my bar.
Oh, well, that's not very good.
Because I'm playing challenging
Also, I
mode.
found a way that...
I can't eat, like, almost any of the flowers, and my food goes down so fast. Like, I'm by this yellow flower. I legit can't eat it. I'm like ramming into it, and I just can't eat it. Can I eat red? Oh, I can eat red. Can I eat pink? So I can't.
Hey, Brady, I found 4 flowers.
Can't eat. Okay, I can eat. Let me eat that one. Okay.
Brady, I think I'm in like the upper. I'm in like the upper left corner. I think.
Well,
all 4 of the corners, I have like 6 flowers here that you could possibly eat.
I can't make it there without dying.
Oh god, I'm gonna die of thirst.
I just leveled up. Okay,
I'm gonna go get some water, then I'm gonna go back to the corner and eat all the flowers.
Why? I mean,
I'm hungry.
I'm almost dead, so why can't I eat? The only flowers I see is the ones I can't eat.
I just made him think you eat the flower. There's my corner up here.
I can't even eat all the nuts. Some of the nuts it lets me eat, some it doesn't. It's a little iffy.
Oh yeah, it's my corner.
Well, I'm almost dead. That'd be rip.
I'm level 3.
I was level 3 like 20 minutes ago. Not really. I'm already level 3. Oh, pink flower. It lets me eat you, right? No. I can't eat the pink ones either.
Hey, Ryan. Do you have enough coins to buy that golden eagle? No, I need 150 of them, and I have 10.
Guess what?
What?
My whole screen is turning white. Yep, died.
Why?
I died. Oh. You know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
I just unlocked easy mode. I just bought the mode where you like don't lose water or hunger like at all.
Why would you play that mode?
Well, you lose it, but it's like super slow. Because then I won't die.
Climbing a tree, climbing a tree.
Wait, I see you climbing the tree. Behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah, I see you. Stop diving!
You? I'm not diving.
Oh, is this you? There's 2 quails going up the same tree. Oh, I see you. Stop! Is that a bald eagle?
Already informing you, I'm not up by the bald eagle. I am not by the bald eagle.
So you were the one that saw me. I have no idea. Probably click the Windows button.
It just like forced me off the thing. I'm gonna land on the eagle. No, someone already did it. So I'm gonna land on them.
Oh.
Uh-oh. See you later. What?
Well. Awesome.
Is challenging, like, how much is challenging mode? Can I land on the eagle, dude?
Oh, challenging mode? You have to buy it for, you can only buy it for 1 bird at a time. You have to rebuy it for every bird. Same with all the other modes. Challenging is 5, the other 2 are 3.
I had just temporarily landed on the eagle. Wait, challenging is 5 and all other is 3?
Yeah, both the other modes are 3.
I feel like I should buy social mode.
Yeah, that's the mode I'm in right now.
The challenge mode give you like more XP.
I don't think so. Also, the you can't eat like any. There's only like one type of flower you can eat, and you like one of the actual flower heals about 1/16 of your hunger bar, and you basically instantly die. 45 seconds, my hunger bar was at half when I started.
I'm at 12 minutes in already.
You know what? Maybe we should stop the recording.
How long are we at?
2 minutes.
What?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah, 2 minutes in the recording.
No, man. They're not. We're only 2 minutes into the recording.
Maybe?
Bree, how long do we have on the video?
20 minutes.
Oh, okay, yeah, I think that's good.
40 minutes. I'm lying, I mean 40 minutes.
They do not have 40 minutes on it.
I mean, then why does my timer say 41 minutes and 29 seconds? Okay.
Oh my.
Well, this is the end of the video and of Bird Simulator, because I don't think we're ever playing this game again. Maybe we will.
Yeah, so... Yeah, we might play it again,
Wait.
but it's probably gonna be like...
Wait. How am I supposed to pause the recording?
You're gonna have to die.
Oh yeah, looks like I have to fall off the edge of the map. So, also, type in the comment, alright, well,
I can't access chat from here.
alright, goodbye, video, bye.